transforming job loss into growth, tackling health, wealth, and relationships. Job loss is a storm that disrupts your health, finances, and personal relationships. But every storm passes, and with the right tools, you can rebuild stronger than ever. Below, we'll explore common challenges in health, wealth, and relationships, paired with actionable solutions, inspiring stories, and an invitation to life-changing coaching programs. Health, finding your balance again. Problem 1, feeling disconnected and overwhelmed. Why it happens: job loss often leaves people feeling untethered, disconnected from their routine, and overwhelmed by uncertainty. Solution: ground yourself with mindfulness techniques and set small daily goals. Example: Lisa felt like she was floating in a fog after losing her job. She practiced the 5-4-3-2-1 technique, daily focusing on 5 things she could see, 4 things she could touch, and so on. This simple exercise brought her back to the present and cleared her mind. Actionable step: every morning, practice grounding exercises. Pair them with a short list of goals, like updating 1 resume section or sending 1 email. Coaching tie-in: learn to stay present and focus with my Emotional Resilience Masterclass, designed to help you regain clarity and purpose. Problem 2, neglecting physical wellness. Why it happens: stress often leads to poor eating habits, lack of exercise, and irregular sleep patterns. Solution: build a realistic self-care routine to protect your energy and health. Example: after weeks of stress eating, Jake decided to walk for 20 minutes daily. It helped him clear his mind, sleep better, and feel more motivated to tackle his job search. Actionable step: commit to 1 healthy habit this week, whether it's drinking more water, preparing healthy meals, or doing a quick workout. Coaching tie-in: join my health and wellness module to create a personalized plan for maintaining your energy and focus. Problem 3, prolonged shock and avoidance. Why it happens: the shock of job loss can make people feel stuck, unable to engage with reality. Solution: set time limits for processing emotions and move into action. Example: Alex gave himself 3 days to process his emotions fully. On the 4th day, he set small tasks like updating his LinkedIn and researching job leads. Actionable step: set a deadline to transition from shock to action. Create a checklist of easy tasks to regain momentum. Coaching tie-in: explore actionable strategies to move past shock in my weekly coaching group, where you'll find the support and accountability to succeed. Wealth: regaining financial and career stability. Problem 1, financial panic. Why it happens: losing income creates fear about covering basic needs and planning for the future. Solution: build a lean budget and explore temporary income sources. Example: Emma started tutoring online while job searching. This temporary gig not only helped her financially, but also gave her a sense of purpose. Actionable step: list your monthly expenses and identify non-essentials you can cut. Research side hustles or freelance opportunities to supplement your income. Coaching tie-in: learn how to stabilize your finances with my Wealth Masterclass, which includes budgeting tools and income-boosting strategies. Problem 2, losing career direction. Why it happens: layoffs often make people question their skills and long-term career goals. Solution: use this time to redefine your career path and develop new skills. Example: Tina enrolled in a free digital marketing course. 3 months later, she landed a job in a new field that paid more than her previous role. Actionable step: dedicate 30 minutes daily to upskill. Look for free or affordable courses on Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Coaching tie-in: join my career coaching program to identify new opportunities and develop a plan for success. Problem 3, networking feels intimidating. Why it happens: without daily workplace interactions, maintaining professional relationships can feel daunting. Solution: reconnect with old colleagues and join professional groups. Example: Mark messaged former coworkers on LinkedIn, explaining his situation. One connection referred him to a recruiter, leading to a job interview. Actionable step: reach out to 3 professional contacts this week. Update them on your goals and ask for advice or referrals. Coaching tie-in: learn the art of networking in my self-directed masterclass and expand your career opportunities. Relationships: building support systems. Problem 1, tension at home. Why it happens: financial and emotional stress often spill over into family dynamics. Solution: foster open communication, and work together to find solutions. Example, Laura scheduled weekly family meetings to discuss their budget and her job search progress. This open dialogue reduced stress and created a sense of teamwork. Actionable step, plan a family meeting to share updates and brainstorm ways to manage challenges together. Coaching tie-in, strengthen your family bonds with tools from my relationship coaching module, problem to feeling isolated. Why it happens, embarrassment about job loss can lead to withdrawing from friends and social activities. Solution, join supportive communities and reconnect with trusted friends. Example, Sam joined a local job loss support group and found encouragement, actionable advice, and even new friends who understood his journey. Actionable step, join a community group or reach out to a friend you trust. Share your story and seek their perspective. Coaching tie-in, find camaraderie and guidance in my online weekly coaching community. Problem 3, fear of judgment. Why it happens, concerns about how others perceive job loss can prevent you from seeking help. Solution, reframe your narrative to focus on growth and opportunity. Example, Mark turned his layoff into a story of personal growth, sharing on LinkedIn how he was using this time to upskill. This attracted positive feedback and job leads. Actionable step, practice introducing yourself positively. I'm exploring new opportunities and growing my skill set during this transition. Coaching tie-in, craft a compelling personal story with my one-on-one coaching sessions, building your confidence to tackle the future. Your next step, start your comeback today. You don't have to face this journey alone. With my tailored coaching programs, you'll gain tools, strategies, and support to rebuild your health, wealth, and relationships. Here's how I can help. Resume writing services, create a resume that stands out. 30+ hours of masterclasses covering health, wealth, and relationships. Weekly coaching community, join peers who understand your journey. One-on-one coaching, personalized strategies to help you thrive. Take action now. See the link in the description below to join the program that best fits your needs. Together, we'll turn your job loss into a powerful comeback story.